and welcome to today's maths video. It's Mr. O'Donnell here, and we're going to be looking again at adding and subtracting 10 and multiples of 10, so counting in steps of 10, either forwards or backwards. So let's have a look at our first part. Just using a couple of images here. Base 10, the children really used to using this in class, so we've got a 10 block here and a 1 block, and you can see that the 10 block is 10 times bigger than the 1 block, and we use it to represent. So using these two images, what number is represented here by this image? So we've got 1, 2 10s and 1, 2, 3 1. So you can see there, that's right, it's 23. What about this number? What image is this? No, it's shown by this image. So we've got 1, 2, 3 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So it is, that's right, 35. So just to get us used to using this imagery, so you can see there we've got 23 and 35. Now we're going to move on to counting in steps of 10. So I've got a number here, number 16. I've made using base 10, and I've got lots of 10s over here, and we're going to look at now making these numbers. So I'm going to drag these 10s across and look at our numbers. Now if I add another 10, we've got 2 10s and 6 1s, which is 26. Let's look at that and add another 10 across. Now we've got 3 10s and 6 1s, so we've now got 36. Bring in another 10. We've got 4 10s and 6 1s. You can see as we're counting in steps of 10, the 1s are not changing. We're not doing anything to these red ones here. Add another 10 across. We've got now 5 10s, which is 56. Another 10 across. We've got 6 10s, which is 66. You can see there's no change in our 1. So when we add 10 to a number, nothing happens to the 1s digit. Okay, and here our final one is 76. So you can see we've got our sequence of 10. Let me just drag that one across a little bit. 76. Okay, well, let me write it there, but never mind. Okay, so we've got our 10s going up in 1 each time. So we've gone 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76. Our 1 stays the same. Now let's have a look at another one. This time it's a challenge for you to have a go at. Can you add 10 to these numbers? See if you can make a sequence. So have a go at adding 10 to 21. Have a go at adding 10 to 38, to 29 and to 17, and then see if you can carry on a sequence. See if you can get up to 100 or more. That'd be really impressive. Let's have a look at subtracting 10. So you can see here we've got the number 47. There's 4 lots of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s. And if we subtract 10, we take 10 away. We've now, let's put that over there, got 3 10s, 7 1s, so we've got 37. And now we're counting back in 10s. If we take away another 10, drag that over there, we've got 2 10s and 7 1s, which is 27. So again, when we subtract 10, nothing is happening to our 1s. Let's take another 10 away, which is 17. And then we'll take our final 10 away, which leaves us with just our 7 1s. Okay, so like we did before, we've got a challenge for you here. Can you subtract 10 from these numbers? See if you can keep on subtracting 10. We've got 48, so if you can take 10 away from that. 52, see if you can take 10 away from that. 39 and 43, see if you can take 10 away from each of those numbers, and then see if you can keep subtracting 10 until you get down to a single digit. So you get down to 8, 2, 9 and 3. Good luck with those, and do watch this one as well as the other one about adding and subtracting multiples of 10.